Jericho's tumbling walls. The Israelites had marched for years. Now Jericho was near. But Jordan River barred their way. God spoke in Joshua's ear. The priest must bear my ark ahead, into the water wade. The stream will stop, then all can cross on dry land unafraid. Choose 12 strong men to bring 12 rocks from riverbed now dry. Build an altar so that all will know this miracle is why. The news raced fast through Jericho. God's miracle was clear. The people shook and cried out loud. Their hearts were filled with fear. All come inside and lock the gates. Our walls are high and strong. We're safe in here, the leaders said, but they were really wrong. The lookouts on the city walls yelled, Israelites in sight! They called the king, grabbed spears and swords, and all prepared to fight. First marched God's army round the walls, then 7 priests trudged by, each trumpeting on large ram's horns, a loud and mournful cry. Then next in line, God's sacred ark, with all his laws inside. In golden splendor, shining bright, they carried it with pride. A strong rear guard followed the ark. God's people then did tramp in silence once around the walls. Then all returned to camp. The king laughed loud, his people jeered. But then when morning came, the Israelites marched once again. They came and did the same. 6 days they circled city walls, just once, and then they left. The king and the people locked inside made jokes and called them pests. The 7th day dawned bright and clear. They marched round city walls, not once around this time, oh no, but 7 times in all. Now blast your horns, all people shout, roared Joshua to this crowd. With all their breath, priests blew their horns, and folks yelled long and loud. The city's walls cracked, shook, then slid. Big rocks dropped all around. The king and many people died when the walls came tumbling down. The Israelites now owned the town and all the treasure there. God's every word they had obeyed, his love they did declare. When you have problems, fear, or doubt, just bow your head and pray to God who owns the victory. He'll help you every day.